Onaga, 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 Onaga. Alright guys, so welcome to another piano lesson, and so today I'll be teaching you Onaga by Tim Godfrey. So I'll be playing in the key of C sharp and the key of C as well. Alright, so actually he sang the song in G, but I transposed it to C sharp and I also play it in C as well. Okay, so the song is not that difficult. Alright, so let me start in C sharp since I played already in C sharp. Alright, so the intro is okay, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Do, this in C sharp. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, re, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, so I'm using this. Okay, so this like la 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 mi la 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 mi so re la 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 mi so re. Okay, that's the first part. Then the second part, la ti do re mi fa mi. Okay, so I take it slowly again. That's all about that one. When you do that one, yeah, you go. So it's just 6, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay, because this is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 5, 1, 6, 5, 4, 4, 5, 6. So we play the chords. I'm using inversions here. Okay, this inversion that I'm using. Then I can use the normal chord here and here. Okay, so I can put the bass as well. So I add something like yeah, so it's actually still the same thing, but I'm spicing it up. But then okay. Something of that sort. Alright, so after that, play, because that first one is chains are breaking from there's miracles everywhere. Okay, children of God. Okay, children of God is children of God. It's 1. Do. I'm using second inversion here because this is our chord. This C, it is C sharp major chord. That's the 1. So I can use inversion. First inversion, second inversion. Okay, so I'm using this one. Children of God. Children of God. Alright. A is 2. Alright. This is our 2. Do, re, do, re. So this is our 2. So you form this our 2, do, re. So you can use the inversion as well. So this is the one I was playing. I'm playing fa, fa, la, re. Children of God, hey. Children of God, children again. Children of God, we will shout. Okay, go to the 4. We will shout, 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 hallelujah. Okay, go to the 5. Shout, hallelujah. Go to the 1. Shout, hallelujah. Go to the 4. Hallelujah to the Lord and 1. Okay, because this is still 1 again. Shout, hallelujah. 4, 5. Lord and sing. Go to the 1. Okay, now hallelujah. Okay, something I can be playing, maybe even the 6 or the 1. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. So I'm playing the 1, the 6. All right. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Then to the 2. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. This is our 2 now, the inversion. 2 inversion. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. 2 again. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. All right. Hallelujah. 1, 2, 3. Onaga, Onaga. So Onaga is a 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. All right, that's Onaga. You can still use this one as 6, still inversion. These are normal 6, but this is the inversion. All right. Okay, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So you can add some at the end. I spice something like, you can still be Onaga. You can, when I'm singing Onaga, you're making something like this. Let me do it slowly. Yeah, you do something of that sort. All right, guys. So I'm going straight to. So that's all about the song, right? So you go. Let me play in the key of C now. I transpose it. All right. So I go up by 1 semitone since I was playing on F sharp. All right. So it's the same thing. La la la. La 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 mi mi so re. La 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 mi mi so re. Okay, then now la la la. La. Let me do it slowly. Alright, enter La so far, right? Spice it up. Then you spice it up. So you notice at the bass, I'm just using the broken chord, alright? There's not something difficult there. Alright, broken chord. Then children of God, children of God, children of God too. Okay, children of God 1. This C major chord. I'm using inversion. Children of God, hey. Children of God 2. Alright, I'm using inversion because this is our. I use inversion. Okay, alright. Children of God, we will 4. Shout 5, hallelujah. 1. Shout 4, hallelujah. 5 to the Lord and 1. Alright. Then now, hallelujah. I was using the 6. Hallelujah. a 6. Hallelujah. 2. Hallelujah. 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 These 2 inversion, you can still use this one. Hallelujah. So this inversion. Hallelujah. 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 Onaga. Go back to Onaga. 4, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. I think that's all about the song, guys. Thank you. I hope you learned something. And please, if you're not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.